everybody, it's Angie and I'm back here in the archives with another look inside the Graceland archives. You know, probably one of the coolest things about my job is I get to share with you and everyone who comes to Graceland all of my favorite things that are in the archives and all my favorite things about Elvis. One of my personal favorites is the movie Jailhouse Rock. I remember watching that on TV as a kid growing up in Florida, and Elvis was just mesmerizing. And one of the really cool things that we have here in the collection is one of the first drafts. Actually, the story is still untitled Presley story, but if you look at the date, it's March 15th, 1957. So this is the first script for Elvis's movie Jailhouse Rock, which is one of my favorite. And the best part is being able to actually thumb through it and look at the notes that they have in here. Now, Elvis didn't write in this script, but one of my favorite scenes, and probably yours too, is that famous prison yard scene. And all of this was filmed back in June of '57, so 63 years ago. This is what Elvis was doing. Day in and day out, he was filming Jailhouse Rock. But one of my favorite lines from the movie is here. You can see it's a discussion in the coal yard between Hunk and Vince. And Elvis goes, "He's all heart, that warden." And then Hunk goes, "You know who's going to produce the show?" Vince goes, "You?" And Hunk said, "Who told you?" So this is when they're first discussing the prison talent show. And of course, we all know what Elvis was doing at the time. He was a regular inmate, you know, shoveling coal. Again, let us know what your favorite Elvis movie is and what's your favorite Elvis scene or favorite line from Elvis's movies. Just a little look inside the archives, and we'll catch you later.